You can protect years of strength in just 10 minutes a day with a simple chair workout, and many people over 60 do not realize they are losing it right now. If you do not know these specific seated moves, you might be losing muscle every single week just from sitting too long. This quiet loss can make stairs harder, increase fall risk, and even steal your independence faster than you expect. By the end of this video, you will know a complete, step-by-step 10-minute chair routine you can do safely at home without special equipment. You will see which moves may help your legs, arms, core, and balance, and how often to do them for real results. You will also learn what common chair exercise mistakes to avoid so you do not strain your knees, hips, or back. If you are sitting more than 6 hours a day, your muscles may already be shrinking even if you feel fine right now. Many people over 60 notice they suddenly struggle to get out of low chairs, carry groceries, or climb 10 to 12 stairs without stopping. This does not usually happen overnight. It creeps up slowly when we sit, watch TV, or scroll on our phones. One bad fall can change everything, and a lot of falls start with weak legs and poor balance from too much sitting. If you feel even a little unsteady when you stand up or turn quickly, that is your early warning sign that your muscles need attention now, not someday. Here is where it gets really important, and you do not want to skip this part. The order of these chair moves can be the difference between feeling nicely warmed up and feeling sore the next day. When you follow this sequence, many people find their joints feel looser and their confidence goes up in just a few sessions. Up next, we dive into solution warm-up core moves. Begin seated tall at the front of your chair, feet flat, and spend about 60 seconds marching your legs slowly to warm up your hips and knees. Then add 60 seconds of gentle arm circles and shoulder rolls, staying within a comfortable range, to get blood flowing to your upper body. Many people find that after just these 2 minutes, stiffness eases and movements feel smoother. Now focus on strength. Spend about 2 minutes on slow seated leg extensions, straightening one leg at a time and holding for a count of 3 to wake up your thigh muscles. Follow with 2 minutes of seated sit-to-stands, using the chair for support as needed, because this move closely matches getting off the toilet, out of bed, or out of the car. Quick check for you. Can you stand up from your chair and sit back down 8 to 10 times in a row without using your hands on your thighs or the armrests? If that already feels hard or you need your hands every time, your leg strength may be lower than you think, and this routine could be especially important for you. Most people skip this part and regret it later when their knees or lower back start to complain. How you breathe, where you place your feet, and how far forward you sit on the chair can make or break your results. A few small adjustments may help you feel safer and get more benefit out of the exact same 10 minutes. Up next, we dive into evidence-realistic benefits. Many seniors who add just 10 minutes of chair exercises, 3 to 5 days a week, report real changes within about 4 to 6 weeks, like easier transfers, better posture, and more confidence on stairs. Some people in their late 60s and 70s describe feeling steadier getting out of bed or the car, simply from staying consistent with these small, regular sessions. Avoid holding your breath, rushing the moves, or sinking back into the chair, because these habits reduce the benefit and may strain your back or knees. Skipping warm-up, doing this only once a week, or pushing through sharp pain are also common mistakes that can turn people off exercise altogether.